Okay, go, Queenie.
Yung room na ginagamit nila nung sa SLSU, parang yun din yung ginagamit namin.
Nagkakasalubong po kasi kami sa hagdan sa engineering, sa MHDP building. So magkasalungat kami ng schedule. Pag pasok nila, palabas naman namin. So vice versa lang.
One time nakita ko si Queenie. Tapos parang nakita ko, uy, ito pala yung Queenie Rodolfa. Napansin ko yun, sobrang lutang yung ganda niya.
Si Joshua kasi laging nakatingin sa akin. So doon ko siya napansin.
And I'm keeping my lungs, I'm holding my tongue this time. Oh, I'm keeping my lungs, I'm holding my tongue this time. Follow me to the sea. You tell me there's so much more. Wait and see what it means. I'm telling you, there's so much more. What you settled for?
Buo pa rin decision ko na mag-I do.
Sulit!
Si Joshua is matyaga siya. Sobrang bait. Hindi siya maalam magalit.
Literal na queen. Si Queenie kasi yung queen talaga sa buhay.
You never failed to make me feel beautiful in every way. You're always been my number one fan kahit dati pa.
Ikaw yung pinakatama kong desisyon sa buhay, Queenie. I always thank God na ikaw yung binigay niya. He let this happen. Love you, darling. Ano mo na?
Now, what you settled for? Now keep your head down, move fast, soon they'll find out. Hush now, keep your head down.
Siguro love is choosing someone who you can be happy with at the same time.
Ang love para sa akin, putting others before yourself. So, which is yung love talaga, handa kang ibigay lahat para sa kanila and handa kang unahin sila bago sa sarili mo.
Pains of the past make for a guarded heart. But he saw her light and walked right in.
Ito na yun, darling. Tayo ay magiging isa na. Lahat ng sasabihin ko ngayon ay matagal ko nang binuo sa utak ko. Simula pa nung tayo nagkita at naging magkaibigan. Kalahin nung meron napuntahan yung lahat ng tingin na natin na naging titig. Actually, yung love story talaga natin, alam mo, hindi yung love at first sight eh. Ours was more of a familiarity. Ngayon pa lang tayo nagkaalala pero parang alam ko na agad na ikaw yung mapapangasawa.
Days and nights have
Ikaw nga talaga
long
yan.
been gone.
I always thought that in a relationship, I was too demanding, needy, tampuhin. Nung naging tayo na, I realized that I wasn't hard to love. Napakadali ko naman palang mahalin. It just takes the right person to make me feel loved the way I deserve to be loved. Darling, in your eyes, I can see the rest of my life. The love I never expected, but always dreamed of.
And she said, "It's the right
important decision in your life is choosing your partner. At ngayon, at this very moment, titingnan kita sa mata at sasabihin na kampante ako na ikaw yung pinili ko na partner.
Enrico, I love you. See you mamaya. And sana mag-enjoy tayong dalawa. Sa kasal. Sa ceremony tsaka sa reception. Yun yung enjoy.
You are my true love, Queenie, and I promise to you na hindi tayo titigil mangarap.
For 10 years, ever since we've been friends, God kept breaking my heart. And yours too. I always asked him why, and now I realize that he's been telling me all along that the man I was looking for has always been right here all along.
So we say, it's the right time to fall in love again. It's the right time to be loved again. It's the right time to feel this way again. It's the right time. It's the right time. It's the right time to say yes to this. This time won't fade in love like this.
Maikli lang ang buhay. Buti na lang naging tayo na agad. Nagpakasal na tayo ng ganito kaaga kasi susulitin ko na yung mga araw na pwede natin gawing mga kabuluhan na magkahawak ang kamay. Mahal na mahal kita, asawa.